Hi y'all, welcome to another video. Today we are doing a nap time power hour clean with me, and it's going to be a little bit more than that. We're kind of doing a tiny bit of everything. I'm getting some stuff prepped for dinner in the crock pot. I'm baking a little bit and I'm decorating a little bit and getting things cleaned up. So this morning I ran some errands with the boys, and now that they're napping, I'm going to put up these bows that we got at Hobby Lobby and just finish off all the bows in the kitchen. I originally didn't get this size of bow from Hobby Lobby to get these little cabinets because I thought I could find smaller bows without these long tails on them, because it kind of hangs down past the shorter cabinets. But I never was able to find any, so we went back to Hobby Lobby today and got the same size that's on all of the medium-sized cabinets, and I'm just going to end up cutting off the little tails of them and make them all match. And it just turned out so cute. I'm glad I was finally able to finish off the cabinets, and now my kitchen is officially decorated for Christmas. I'm just keeping it pretty simple. The ribbons and bows on the cabinets, my cute little tray that I always have no matter what the season, I just decorate it accordingly. And then in my last video you might have seen I got some kind of Christmas themed hand towels and mitts, like kitchen towels, and some oven mitts from Walmart that are super cute. So pretty simple, but very nice and fun and festive and cute. So the kitchen decoration is finally done. Once those were up, I did have a little bit of baking I wanted to get done, but I couldn't do anything on this cluttered, messy workspace that I have on the island, so I needed to clean that up and put things away really quick. A lot of it is just stuff I needed to put away. We also ran to Albertsons to get a couple groceries, and then the day I was filming this was actually my toddler's birthday. He turned 4 on November 28th, so that brown bag was actually a gift delivery, which was so cute and thoughtful. Somebody delivered they ordered something to get hand delivered to the house with balloons and everything. It was like the best surprise ever. It was so cute, and Jax really loved it. He was so happy about that. So that was really cute. So I was just throwing away that bag, refilling the paper towels, and clearing off the rest of the island, throwing things away that need to be thrown away, putting any dirty dishes in the sink, and then I'm going to wipe it down really quick with some multi-surface cleaning spray, and then just make a Betty Crocker muffin mix, making the cinnamon streusel muffins. Sometimes I like to bake from scratch. You guys have seen me do that before. I'm always making banana bread and banana muffins and all different kinds of muffins because my kids absolutely love them, and honestly so do me and my husband. It's just great for a quick snack or quick breakfast, but sometimes it's just easier to get a little pre-made box. I always have 1 or 2 boxed muffin mixes just in the pantry for days like this when I don't have time or all the ingredients to make something from scratch. You can just grab a little box mix. It's good to have that stuff in your pantry for times like this. And actually, before I get the muffins going, I wanted to get dinner going in the crock pot. So the day before, I had gotten through 90% of making tomato soup because I didn't want my tomatoes to go bad. They were getting a little bit wrinkly. So I had some tomatoes, an onion, and an entire head of garlic with some olive oil, a half a cup of chicken stock, and some basil and salt and pepper. And I roasted that all day, and then I blended it up, and there you see me pouring it in. And that is 90% of what goes into my homemade tomato soup. So today I am just putting some more basil and pepper and a little bit of celery salt, and then 1 can of tomato paste just to thicken it up and make it a really nice texture. And I'm just going to let this go low and slow and cook for even longer in my small crock pot. This is just like 1 serving size for dinner. I put all the other tomato soup that I made in the freezer already from yesterday. This will thicken up really nicely, and right before serving, I will just put some heavy cream in it. So that is good to go for dinner. We were just having simple tomato soup and grilled cheese, as you do. It is soup season. So now I am on to making the cinnamon streusel muffins. Gonna pop those in the oven and then finish off cleaning the kitchen. Putting that in the oven and wiping down the counter again, I'm going to start tackling the dishes. I had already emptied out the dishwasher way earlier in the morning before the kids woke up. I actually happened to wake up before them, not by much, by like 10 or 15 minutes, but still, I was just having my coffee and unloading the dishwasher, trying to help myself out, and it certainly did, because now I get to load the dishwasher and have everything clean. And then after dinner, I will have barely any dishes to deal with. So it really is just the little things that get you by sometimes. Taking like 5-10 minutes to empty the dishwasher earlier on in the day could save you a lot of stress later on, because all the dishes are taken care of. If you guys are totally new to my videos or my channel, my name is Lauren. I am a stay-at-home wife and mother. I just live here in Wyoming with my husband, our 2 kids, and 2 dogs, and we're absolutely loving it here. And I make videos all about cleaning motivation, cleaning hacks. I review products sometimes for you guys. I do, fun little hauls, cleaning hauls, decoration hauls, decorating videos, any type of like reno or cute little ideas that we get up to around the house for decorating or changes that we're going to make. I love to show you guys, and fun stuff that I get up to with my kids, especially if I feel like it's going to be like a fun craft idea or something you might want to take your kids to. I'll vlog it and kind of review it for you guys, and I try to get up to a lot more and show you guys and just mix it up. So if you are into any fun mom content, I would love it if you subscribed, and I really appreciate it if you already have. Just need to hand wash this one thing that didn't fit, and I'm using my Miss Meyer's Acorn Spice dish soap along with that same scent in the multi-purpose cleaner for wiping down the counters and stuff. And oh my gosh, you guys, I'm absolutely loving this scent. If you saw one of my last videos, I did a whole Miss Meyer's haul, and I am always so happy using these. They work so good and also smell incredible, and the smell really lingers, which I love. So then I'm just going to quickly scrub down the sink with that same sponge and soap, give it a good rinse down, and then spray everything with half water, half vinegar, and give the outside of the sink a quick little wipe down to make sure that there's no like splatters, water splatters, or any residue on the outside. Starting up that dishwasher and moving on to the dining room. It really wasn't that bad today, thank goodness. So I just had to get some plastic bags out of the way. We do save those to use as diaper bags. So I'm just gonna put those to the side until my baby wakes up and I can put those in his room. And then I'm just refilling the napkins, and I got these window clings for the car. I thought it'd be really fun to put those on the moonroof for the kids. They're like winter and Christmas themed. That works out really cute. I definitely plan on showing you guys, so look out for that video. If it doesn't like totally damage my windows or it doesn't stick, I have no idea what's gonna happen with that. After clearing that off, I'm just going to wipe everything down with that Miss Meyer's multi-surface cleaning spray that I was talking about earlier. Get everything clean and smelling incredible. And then I'm just going to light my little fall candle that's in my tray over here, and then light the candle that is in the tray on the island. Get everything smelling delicious, and then move on to the living room. Living room really wasn't that bad. A couple toys and a pair of shoes and socks on the ground, and that's about it. And we are done tidying up in there. Well, I'm gonna vacuum and stuff, but everything was pretty ship shape already because I had cleaned up the night before and we had run errands all morning. I have decided to start doing something. If y'all want to see my daily vlogs on TikTok, it's linked down below, but I have decided for at least the winter in Wyoming, I am going to commit to leaving the house every day of the week with the kids. So usually we get out of the house maybe 2 or 3 times a week, like Monday through Friday. On the weekends, we do a lot more because it's way easier, obviously, because my husband is home. But Monday through Friday, I usually, in the spring and summer and early fall when it's still pretty nice outside, we go to the park or go, run errands, do something fun, go to a toddler time, maybe 2 or 3 times a week. But it doesn't seem that bad because we spend so much of our time in the backyard and out in the driveway playing with chalk and just in the garage. We spend so much time outside just at our house. So I don't really feel the need to go to other places. However, now that there's snow on the ground and I don't think it's going anywhere until winter is over for the next, 4 or 5 months probably, I have been really feeling the pressure. It gets so hard to entertain 2 young boys. I have a 4-year-old boy and a 1-year-old, and they just get really stir crazy really fast. So I have decided that Monday through Friday at least, I am going to take them out of the house, even for just anything. Even if it's like today, we literally just went to the grocery store and went to Hobby Lobby. Normally, I would either wait for my husband to come home to do that stuff and he would just stay home with the kids, or I would just do a pickup order. But I am committing to getting them out of the house so that we don't get stir crazy. Well, so that they don't get stir crazy and I don't go regular crazy because they're stir crazy. You know what I mean? So we didn't have too much of a mess because of that, because we were out of the house. So there's kind of, a plus, more than one plus to the con of just how stressful it is to get out of the house. It is nice that the house stays a lot cleaner if you are gone for half the day. So that's always nice. So I just vacuumed and quick mopped the living room with the O-Cedar quick mop and my Bissell Clean View vacuum. Love that thing. And then I just sprayed down the couch and curtains and all the soft surfaces and the air with the Miss Meyer's peppermint room spray. Absolutely delicious. Between that and the acorn spice I got going on up here, it just smells like Christmas in this house. It is absolutely incredible. And now I'm just doing the dining room and kitchen area as well, just vacuuming really, really well, and then quickly mopping with my O-Cedar quick mop in here as well. So I'm done mopping. That is the whole area completed. And then I just wanted to start a load of my cleaning rags in the wash. So I just use regular laundry detergent and some OxyClean powder. And then I wash it on the hottest setting, on the sanitized setting. And then I dry it on the steam sanitized. So everything is fresh and clean and sanitized and ready to clean again the next day. And I had done 2 loads of our regular towels earlier in the day, so I was going to fold those. But as you can see, right when I started to do that, the baby woke up, which means the nap time power hour is over. But if you guys are still cleaning along with me, there's an entire playlist of all my cleaning motivation videos right here on the screen and always linked down below, as well as my Instagram and my TikTok if you want to follow me everywhere. Thanks again for watching and subscribing if you did, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. Bye.